So if I take the 1.488 times 10 to the 11th and I divide it by 3 times 10 to the negative 2, I know that 1.488 divided by 3 is equal to 0.496. I also know that 10 to the 11th over 10 to the negative 2 is the same as 10 to the 13th. I knew that from an earlier lesson. So now I have 0.496 times 10 to the 13th. But this is not in scientific notation, so I need to make this 4.96 times 10 to something. Well, 4.96 times 10 to the negative 1 would change it back into this times the 10 to the 13th. So I now know that this is 4.96 times 10 to the 12th power.